Mastering the phrase, search for a file. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very common English phrase, search for a file. This might seem straightforward, but there's a lot to unpack here. Whether you're a beginner in English or just looking to polish your language skills, understanding this phrase is key in today's digital world. Let's get started. The phrase, search for a file, is made up of two parts, search for and a file. Firstly, let's break down search for. This is a verb phrase that means to look for something or to try to find something. It implies an action where someone is actively looking for an item or information. Next, let's understand a file. In the digital context, a file is an item of data stored on a computer. It can be a document, a picture, a video, or any other type of digital content. So, when combined, search for a file means to actively look for a specific piece of digital content on a computer or a network. Now, let's see how this phrase is used in everyday context. Imagine you are working on a computer and you need to find a document that you saved a few days ago. You would search for this file on your computer. This could involve using a search bar, looking through folders, or even using a voice command. Another example could be in a workplace setting. Your boss might ask you to search for a file related to a specific project. This means you need to locate the digital document containing information about that project. The phrase can be slightly altered to fit different contexts. For example, search for a specific file. This implies that there is a particular file you need to find. Search for files. This is the plural form, meaning you need to find multiple files. Conduct a file search. This is a more formal way of saying the same thing. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, search for a file. I hope this has been helpful and has given you a clearer understanding of how to use this phrase in various contexts. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so try using this phrase in your daily life. See you in the next video.